Power on. It is frequency detection. Let's measure 1. It has 360 mHz. And then 330 mHz, 433 mHz. And this is the function of data detection. For a test, it shows that it has HCS301 chip and the data of its code, PTR40. It is X5326, and now we press here for data comparison. OK, try another remote with PTR40R. Test another code with HCS301. It will automatically return after a result shows. And if you want to switch to Chinese version, just long press and hold together. Press these 3 keys together, it will become Chinese version. The functions are same. No matter how we turn it on or off, it is the version you have chosen. I will switch it from Chinese to English again.
切换成英文以后，我再
That is all.
关机，
Thank
再
you.
开机还是英文。